Right, fit like update. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome to our Christmas live draw. I'm hoping this is working because it's the first time I've done this YouTube live. Now, I've got permission to get my Christmas tree into the living room in the house, as you can see. But as soon as the live draw is done, Susan says it's good to get out back to the shed. So our dogs here has got Christmas. Look around, look.
Guys.
Come on. Flowers, Skipper. The dogs has got the Christmas gonzies on. So we're getting into the Christmas spirit. And I'm just sitting watching fishing videos as usual on the TV. And I've been watching this lad, Another Angle UK. And get on his channel because he catches lots of different fish and really good watching. Anyway, back to the live draw. I've got Susan sitting here.
Feeling very festive. Look, I'm putting in the effort. I've got the Christmas hat on. But we've got this draw to do and we've got 50 entries for the draw. I'm sure you've watched the video a few times. You've seen all the prizes that Gordon's organised for this, and it's a fine wee boost for somebody, especially at this time of year. It's a fine wee treat on Christmas Eve if you're the winner. So if Gordon, if you can point at the draw machine. Right, I don't know if you can see that so well, but I'll give it a go and then we'll check what name's the winner. Good luck, everybody. So there we go, we're on Mark Loudon 9. I see that that's not come up correctly on the screen there, it's back to front, but it's Mark Loudon 9. Gordon will get in touch with you, Mark, and we can organise getting your prize to you. Obviously it'll take a day or two to get that put into motion, but we'll get your prize to you as soon as we can. Okay, so that's Mark Loudon 9. Now, Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll pass you back to Gordon. Have a good one. Catch you later.
Okay, sorry for all the jumping about and that. It's the first time I've done a live video, so I'm hoping it's turned out near bad anyway. So, congratulations to the winner, and Merry Christmas to everybody, and have a good hugman when it comes, and tight lines for 2024. Catch you after.